Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is teaching your sibling play keyboard or piano. Listen, read, and then repeat. Hey, why are you sad?
You can't help me, or can you?
Well, I can try my best.
I'm not able to play the song the way you play it on the keyboard.
Are you talking about the one I play always?
Yes, it's been 10 days now.
I suggest you start back from the basics. Begin with the 5-finger exercise. Then jump back to the song and see if you find any difference while playing.
Do you really think that will help? Because seriously, Justin, I'm all drained out.
Come on, Jason, you're halfway through. You just have to do a bit more. You won't give up, okay?
I'll not.
Great! I bet you'll end up getting this really good. Have faith in yourself, that's all.
And since you're here, I want to ask you something more.
What is it?
Well, the other day, when I attended the keyboard classes, my teacher told me that unless my fingers are flexible, I will not be able to play the keyboard professionally. What does she mean?
She means you need to train your fingers, that's all.
And how do I do that?
By practice. Practice the five-finger movement slowly, and then gradually speed up to achieve flexibility.
And how much time will that take?
Honestly speaking, you shouldn't expect that you'll get everything right in a day or two. It takes time, and I hope you know that.
Yes, I do. It just got more clear to me now.
Great! This means you might need to work on it maybe for a month before you move on to the song.
A month?
Yes, but if you practice for about 2 hours each day, then...
Then what?
Then you might manage to master it in a week or two.
Makes sense. I shall start practicing today itself.
Sounds good.
I've also heard that you should keep both your hands on the keyboard. What is that?
Well, actually, the positioning of your hand and placement of your fingers plays a very important role in playing the keyboard well.
And how is that?
If you train your fingers to always position gently over the keys, without actually pressing them, it becomes easy to play any notes, especially if they are spread across the keyboard.
That makes perfect logic. Thanks for guiding me, Justin.
My pleasure.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then, like and share my videos within your network.